We've got a real mix of spring and fall and mostly spring. But anyway, let me show them to you because they're all $9.99. They're all cottons. Some are cotton polys, like this is 100% cotton. Be just a great little jacket or a pair of pants, like, you know, just a cute little pair of yoga pants. Like I said, 100% cotton, stretch in one direction, and it's a black with a gray stripe. This is also a black with a gray stripe. Stripes are all over the place today. This has stretch in one direction. This is like a ribbing. This is really a pretty fabric. 100% cotton. 100% cotton. This one is 100% cotton also. I think this is a cotton poly. You have to check the page. Stretch in both directions this time. It's a teal with a black stripe. Very pretty. Really nice. Great little, just a little spring sweater would be really cute. This is a sheer, which is a cotton poly. Red and animal print. Two things that are just everywhere for spring. So this is the perfect time. You can wear it now. This is a year-round blouse in my opinion. Just very pretty. Cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. 100% cotton. I love the pink. Get your hands on all the pink you can because pink is all over the place. So this is a great example of a nice little pink wave there. 100% cotton. And very pretty fabric. This is a milk background with little flowers all over it. This is a cotton poly. I believe this is a Max Mara, but again, very limited yardage, y'all. So it's cotton poly, and it's really pretty. Great little jacket, skirt, be really, really cute. So $9.99, all of them today. Happy sewing.